Aviation has never had a single partner for both safety and environmental intelligence. Until now.
One technology partner, one source of intelligence, complete operational visibility. We serve airports, airlines, ANSPs, MROs, national aviation authorities, and defense organizations, connecting the stakeholders, data, and intelligence that keep aviation moving safely, efficiently, and sustainably.
Aviation intelligence turns environmental complexity into stakeholder confidence. Real-time noise monitoring, flight tracking, ground operations efficiency, GHG emissions calculation, and trusted community engagement. Aviation safety helps 250+ operators shift from reactive management to proactive prevention, making reporting intuitive, investigations faster, and audit readiness effortless. Our EHS and quality management solutions keep your people safe, your operations compliant, and your quality standards audit-ready at every stage.
And at the heart of it all, Maslan, Ideagen's agentic AI, the only AI that speaks aviation fluently.
Connecting every solution, Maslan understands ICAO, EASA and FAA standards. It will analyze incidents, flag compliance gaps, and community noise impacts with flight operations. So your teams spend less time investigating and more time acting. 500+ customers, 30 years of aviation expertise, one trusted partner. Ready to see further, act faster, and build lasting trust? Talk to Ideagen today.